Salam everyone, I hope you're doing really well. Welcome back to this channel, and we are continuing on our journey to understand the Quran in a quick and easy and hopefully fun way. I hope you've been finding these lessons really useful. We're continuing Juz Amma now, which is we're now at stage 3. So it is slightly tricky, and I do recommend you do stage 1 and stage 2. You can find the playlists on this channel. And then join us from this video. So keep watching.
فذوقوا فلن نزيدكم إلا عذابا. ذوقوا. So we just did that like ذائقة. So taste.
Yeah.
فلن نزيدكم إلا عذابا. So taste something except عذاب, except punishment.
Yeah, نزيدكم from زد, زيادة, زدنا.
More? Like
yeah,
increasing?
Yeah.
So فذوقوا so taste.
Yeah.
Sorry, what's فلن? So
fa is the so, and len is like lem, the negation. So لن نزيدكم إلا عذابا.
Oh, okay. So taste and you will not be increased except in punishment.
Exactly.
إن للمتقين مفازا. Indeed, المتقين, the believers. مفازا. Faiz.
Mafaza. I was kind of confused with this, but once you pick it up, it'll be obvious. Faz.
Faiz. I know the word, but I don't remember what it means. Successful.
Yeah.
Oh, so indeed the believers will be the successful.
So for the believers there's success, mafaza.
Oh, okay. But I thought the ma was like the people who are.
That's mostly in like a mu form. Muslimun, mu'minun. Yeah.
Okay.
And also because it says lil, so for the believers.
Yeah, I missed the lil. Okay. حدائق وعنبا, gardens and grapes.
Grapevines. Good job. Berivan, you?
Oh, Berivan's here.
No, I just joined. That's why. وكواعب أترابا. وكوا and كواعب أترابا. أترابا. كوا.
They're difficult words. So
yeah, I haven't heard them before. We haven't gone through, I guess. كواعب.
Talking about the maidens, so they will have full-bosomed maidens of equal age. So atraba is the equal age, and kawaib is like of beauty.
Okay.
Full maidens of equal age, atraba.
Okay.
Hiba, your turn.
We'll get some دهاقة. Gets is a glass. But I don't know what دهاقة is.
So دهاقة, it is full, but it's only used once in the Quran. A full cup of wine, actually.
Okay.
And then Berivan.
لا يسمعون فيها لغوا ولا كذابا. لا يسمع. Wait, سمعوا. No hearing فيها in it
Mm.
لغو
Mm.
لغو
Mm.
wait I know the لغو
Mm.
ill speech.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, okay. So ill speech ولا كذاب. Okay, so no, I guess so. So no hearing in it in Jannah.
Yeah.
Okay. فيها لغو and no like oh, so you will we will not be able to hear bad speech and lies.
Yeah. So they will not hear therein, la yasma'un. So yasma'una is like them hearing, so they will not hear.
Okay.
Because the ya is for third person and una is like group of people, so they will not hear. Fiha.
Yeah, exactly. So they will not, like the people of Jannah will not hear of. That's so beautiful. It's like in this planet we try to avoid, and here we don't need to avoid. It's just like,
Yeah, because all the people as well. There will be no one to do this ill
yeah, we will all be clean.
or lying.
Inshallah, ya Rab.
So your turn, him.
جزاء من ربك عطاء حسابا. So a reward, جزاء من ربك, from your Lord, عطاء حسابا. So حساب, we just said, was like a balance. So
Or account.
or account, yeah. عطاء. I don't know عطاء.
So it means a gift or something given is ata.
Okay, so a reward from your Lord, which is a balanced gift, like
A well-accounted gift. So it's similar
Okay.
to like jaza'un wifaqa that we did earlier, that it's like a well-calculated reward, but this time obviously it's in a positive context, that it is a ata, it's a gift, like well accounted. So ata, I think so. Ata, have we like? Do you recognize ata if it was in that form?
Yeah, but I thought that was to give.
Yeah, so it's the same. So giving something that's given, a gift given, of due measurement. So like فأما من أعطى, or يعطيك as well, or أعطيناك إنا أعطيناك الكوثر. So it's the same عطاء. We've gifted you, we've given you, or bestowed on you. عطاء. Oh, I'm learning so much as well. All these it's like individually I know أعطيناك and عطاء, but then never realized like, oh, it's the same word.
SubhanAllah.
Okay, Bidban.
Oh, it's me?
Yep.
Okay, أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. رب السماوات والأرض وما بينهما هما الرحمن. Okay. رب السماوات. Rabbi is my, right?
No, that's Rabbi with a ya. This is just Rabbi Samawati.
Okay, so the Rab, the master of the heavens and the earth.
Yeah.
And what is between بين وما بين,
Yeah.
right? For the first time I remembered وما بين.
That's true.
Do you remember how hard time I had with the بين يدي بين? Oh my God, success. Okay. وما بين ما الرحمن. And what is between ما الرحمن?
No, وما بينهما. So that's like a pause there, and then Ar-Rahman.
The merciful, or the okay, got it. And what is between the merciful? Okay, so yeah, okay, got it.
بينهما So Lord of the heavens and the earth, وَمَا
And
بَيْنَهُمَا.
what is between them, both of them?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
Right.
Okay. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. لا يملكون منه خطابا. يملك. We have done the word ملكو. Wait. No خطاب. So no, like no ownership from it, from from the dunya and from the heavens and the earth. خطابا. Like something with accept him or with his permission.
Yeah, but khitaba is khitab. Like
Khutbah?
Sorry?
Like a khutbah or a khitab.
Oh, with his speech.
Yeah.
In
So
Turkish we have hitab. Like when you are kind of
say like giving a speech.
when I talk to you, I am hitab to you.
Addressing.
I don't know. Addressing, yes.
Yeah. So لا يملكون منه خطابا, they will not have permission to speak, like to address. Permission.
No power. I'm not sure. No one will
So no power from him like people won't have their own power, their own mulk to talk whenever they want. So it will the permission will have to come from him. Yeah. That's what it implies by using this like ability.
So that was it for this lesson. I hope you found that useful. Please do like this if you found it helpful and leave a comment. It makes my day and it also really helps the channel. So jazakallah khair and see you in another video.